Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing very well. So today we are going to discuss about the recruitment process or the campus drive 2021 of Quick Heal. So the Quick Heal has announced a job notification for the post of enterprise technical support engineer. A student from any discipline can apply for Quick Heal recruitment 2021. So the interested and the eligible candidates can read more details below. So Quick Heal Recruitment 2021, the company name is Quick Heal and the post name is Enterprise Technical Support Engineer. Salary would be 3 lakh per annum and the experience required is 0 to 1 year. The job location will be Pune. The following are the job responsibilities that ensuring complete customer satisfaction, resolve technical issues for customers, assist customers with the technical queries and installations, building technical competency, provide technical support over phones and emails and chats. The eligibility criteria is professional graduate in BSc, BCS, BCA and MCA. Excellent communication skills, a minimum academic score of 60%, a minimum score of 60% in 10th and 12th. Batch only 2021 are only eligible for this recruitment or campus drive. The following preferred skills are the knowledge of good knowledge of operating systems, Windows and Linux, excellent application troubleshooting, data networking concepts, excellent customer handling skills, ability to support customers over the calls, chats, and emails. The selection process flow will be firstly, the first step of this process is the online assessment. Second is our technical interview, and then final you'll go with the HR. If you on these all are eliminations round, that means if you have eliminated from the first round, so you would not continue for the further process. So about the Quick Heal, MCA fee is a leader in personal security for consumers focused on protecting people's not just devices. MCA free fee consumer solutions adapt to users needs in an always online world, empowering to life stories so integrated intuitive solutions that protect their families and the communities with the right security at the right time. So if you guys think that you're eligible and interested in this campus drive, so you can go with this link. So about the company, that the Quick Heal Technologies Limited, known as the Quick Heal Technologies Private Limited, is one of the leading IT security solutions company. Each product of this company, this is the JD job description, that your job title will be Enterprise Technical Support Engineer. The job type is it's full time, or it's not to be considered as a part time. Work location, you'll have to relocate if you are living somewhere else. The eligibility criteria, all the soft skills, outstanding interpersonal abilities, attention to detail, analytical and problem solving capabilities, to ability to prioritize works, can do attitude, preferred skills certification, sound concepts of cyber security, certification in the Windows and administration, CCNA, ethical hacking. The following are the job responsibilities, selection process, important, whatever this is the, if you want to register it, so you have to enter your email id, your name, your contact number, your current city, state in India, which in which state you are living, your college name, your degree, like you are doing BCS, BCA, MCA, your passing out year, it's obviously 2021, the your graduation percentage, your 12th percentage, your 10th percentage, and if you are willing to relocate to Pune, if you are willing to relocate, so you can click on yes, and if you are not willing for relocation, you can select no. So by clicking on the by submitting this form agree you, and by clicking on the submit button, you'll be able to means full the complete application form and be able to be the part of their recruitment or campus drive process. So that's all for the today. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video.